What's up guys, it's Nicole, also known as Nikki Vegan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a salad that is perfect for those of you who hate salad. It has a lot of really great flavors, it has a really good dressing, and lots of different textures and colors and things going on that keep it from being boring. So if that sounds good to you, then let's get started. So this salad is really all about the combination of flavors and textures, but it's really fast and easy to put together. So you just want 3 to 5 handfuls of your favorite lettuce, and then I add a big handful of finely chopped cucumber. I like cutting it up really small so I get a little bit of cucumber in every bite. Next, we're going to add some Brussels sprouts, which are a superfood, and usually you'll see these roasted, but you can actually eat them raw as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a big knife and kind of shred them into Brussels sprout confetti and sprinkle that over the salad. Not only does this add a really nice crunch, but it also adds a bunch of nutrients. Obviously, they have a lot of fiber, they have anti-cancer fighting properties, they are part of the cruciferous vegetable family, and they are recommended by Dr. Greger to have almost every single day if possible. So I love adding those into salads, mostly because of the crunch and also because I feel like I'm kind of winning at life when I add superfoods into my diet. Then I'm going to add some really finely diced red onion. Onions are detoxifying for the liver. They also add a really nice kind of acidic, sweet punch to the salad. So I think flavor-wise, the combo is really important, and it also adds a really beautiful color, and who doesn't love that? Speaking of color, summer's right around the corner and fresh berries are coming into season, and you may have them on your oatmeal, but you may also add them to salads. It's a little bit unusual, I know, but I'm telling you, the combination is so great. They work really well with all the ingredients here, and obviously they have a bunch of really great antioxidants and more anti-cancer fighting properties and fiber and all the things that make your skin look beautiful. I will put a whole list of their benefits right here on the screen so you can feel really good about eating something that tastes as good as a strawberry. Next, we're going to do a little trick because walnuts are really healthy, but I know sometimes they're kind of boring to eat. So if you want to jazz them up a little bit, you can make your own candied walnuts without any extra oil or butter like the kinds you get in the store, just by toasting them over medium-high heat for about 30 seconds and then drizzling on a little bit of maple syrup and a sprinkle of sea salt. Walnuts, again, are a major superfood. They've got really healthy fats, fiber, protein, and also some omegas, which are really, really good for your brain and for your hormones and all that kind of stuff. So I definitely love getting these in as well. Plus that sweet, salty, nutty crunch works so well with the other flavors and textures in this salad. You can really do whatever salad dressing you like because this is a really versatile salad, but I like making a vegan version of honey mustard, which is basically maple mustard. So what I do is I take 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. I mix it together. Sometimes I'll do a splash of water just to kind of thin it out if I want a thinner dressing, but I really love creamy dressing, so I kept it without the water this time and finished with a little bit of black pepper. Black pepper just kind of punches it all up, and it's also weirdly really good on strawberries. Actually, any berries with black pepper is a really good combination. I know it sounds weird, but just fresh cracked pepper on this salad is really just, it takes it to the next level. Just trust me, guys, it's delish. So this is what this beautiful salad looks like on social media when it's ready for its close-up, but in real life, I like to mix everything together. It looks nice to have it in strips so you can really see what's in the salad, but once you toss it all together with the dressing and get a little bit of all the different veggies and nuts and fruits that we added all in one bite, that's when you're really getting the full benefit of this salad. Plus, I mean, real life, you gotta eat out of a big bowl. Like, how do people eat salads like row by row like that? I don't get it. I don't think they do. This is how I eat it. This is how I recommend eating it. Not as pretty, but really delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think of it if you try it. I love when you guys send me pictures on Instagram or when you comment back below after making the recipe and tell me your thoughts. A lot of you get really creative, which I think is really cool. You add your own spin on it. You kind of, do it in a wrap, or you do a different dressing, or you add your favorite fruit or vegetable. Make it your own, and I really love that. I always encourage you guys to get creative and do that kind of stuff. You can use my recipes as like a starting point and then go from there. So if you want to add some vegan chicken or some kind of, I don't know, burger patty or a different vegetable that you like, totally do that. There's no rules with cooking. Do what you like, do what tastes good, and enjoy it. I hope you guys love this one, and I will see you in a video very soon. Bye!